A true sneaker icon has finally returned. The Jordan 11 Columbia, or Legend Blue, is finally back in our hands. This sneaker was originally worn by Michael Jordan in the 1996 All-Star Game, and now this legendary silhouette finally makes a return in its original shape and construction. The sneaker features a sleek combo of leather and mesh, glossy patented leather overlays, and those signature Legend Blue accents that we all know and love. All of this sits on top of a durable translucent outsole, keeping the legacy alive for a brand new generation. In 2024, Jordan Brand kept the holiday tradition alive by bringing back one of the most highly anticipated Jordan releases, the 11 and the Legend Blue, or the Columbia colorway. This sneaker was spotted here and there a few times in 2024, and then for the holiday season, Jordan Brand gave us what we asked for. This sneaker released December 14th, 2024, marking the first time we've seen this sneaker in retail stores for a whole decade. The Jordan 11 Columbia, or Legend Blue, retails for a hefty price of $230, but I actually got mine in 2025 during a random restock. What really sets this sneaker apart is its clean upper. We have all leather instead of mesh that we normally have when it comes to Jordan 11s. The mix of glossy patent leather and classic leather gives this sneaker that signature polished vibe. We have light blue hits and subtle black accents that just bring this design to life, staying true to the OG colorway that first turned heads over a decade ago. When it comes to the sizing of a Jordan 11 Legend Blue or Columbia, I say go up a full size. When it comes to Jordan 11s, I say the toe box is a little snug, so I love to go up a half size to a full size. I'm a true US size 12, and I get my 11s now in a size 13 just so I have space in the toe and my pinky toe isn't rubbing on the side. So for you, I recommend going up a half size to a full size, but at this point, Jordan 11s have been coming out every single year for the past like 12 years, so you should already know what your Jordan 11 size is. When it comes to quality and craftsmanship, my Legend Blues, my Columbia 11s, are actually well made. There's no loose stitching, there's no glue, but there's a little flaws here and there when it comes to the midsole to that foam. So I would say these are a 9 out of 10, but really great job, Jordan Brand. They definitely did their thing. What I do wish they did was embroidered on that 23 on the back instead of just making it a print. And I'm pretty sure the embroidery happened with the Concords when I had a 45 back in 2018. I feel like for every Jordan 11, they should just embroider it in because this stamp will fade over time. But other than that, the shoe is well made. The leather is a little bit stiff, but I feel like it'll break in over time. I will be putting these on very soon because they're a great shoe. You know, they came out in December, almost a year. We have a few months away from December of 2025. So I feel like it's a great time to break these out finally. Before you get out of here, my name is CClaxton. This is my platform, Something Like Media, a hub for all things sneakers, fashion, concerts, pop culture, photography. If you enjoyed this video and like what you see here, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It goes a long way for me and it's a small step for you. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.